Hello, here's your explanation for the Sherlock Holmes character autopsy assignment. So, hopefully you have fun with this one. What you're going to do is you're going to read chapters 1 and 2 of A Study in Scarlet, which is in the classroom, and you're going to use text details to complete this assignment. So, you need to directly quote from these items. So, you need to have a direct quote for what Holmes thinks or knows, what he says, and what someone else says about him. So you need to make sure you put quotation marks around these direct quotes. The other parts that can be summaries or paraphrases of the text. And then the last box of the assignment should come from you. It's your interpretations and ideas about Holmes based on what you've read. So the text boxes for this assignment have been created for you. You just need to click where it says type here. Okay, and the box will grow with you. So let's look at this first part. Okay, first you're going to analyze Sherlock Holmes as a person. You're going to type what he sees, notices, or pays attention to. Then you'll type what he thinks or knows, what he says, what other people are saying about him, and you make sure you are including what he says to what they're saying too, say, and who says it. For the right side, you need to talk about his strengths. For the left side, you need to talk about his weaknesses, okay? And then in chapter 2, they really have Arthur Conan Doyle really does a good job of giving him a physical description. So you want to make sure you describe his height, his build, his nose, his chin, everything. List the details that the author provides. And then finally, this is your point of view, okay? In this box, use details from the previous slide and this one to share your overall impression of Sherlock Holmes. If you had to tell someone else about the kind of person he is, what would you say? Okay, I should see a nice explanation here. If you have any questions at all, let me know. Other than that, I look forward to reading your response. Thank you.